Good morning to all of you. My name is Mrs. Mildred A. Distresa of Balok-Balok Elementary School from Nasugbu West District. I'm here to present to you my action research entitled Profiling the Reading Interventions Used by Teachers, Advisors of Balok-Balok Elementary Schools Basis to a Reading Intervention Program. The need to intervene stems from a desire to help learners overcome their difficulties. This is the essence of Reading Interventions Program. Knowing their difficulties can be a way to find solutions if problems and difficulties of learners are known. Solutions can be found to address them. The job of a teacher is to guide the pupils in dealing with problems relating to learning. In reading, the problem of a school is dealt with citing different justifications by advisors. In doing this, justification can be analyzed to see how things went. The goal of my action research is to profile the reading interventions used by teacher advisors of Balok-Balok Elementary School and to answer the questions: how do the teachers' advisors perceive the use of reading intervention materials in reading? Number 2, what are the intervention materials that have been used in teaching reading? Number 3, how do the teachers' respondents perceive their roles in reading remediation? And lastly, based on the findings, what reading interventions program may be proposed to answer the needs of pupils in reading? There was 2 methods used in this action research. Number 1 is a descriptive survey, and number 2 is a proposal samplings. The method used by the researchers in the study was a descriptive survey. A descriptive survey or research involves describing, analyzing, and interpreting certain conditions which is existing at the time the study is conducted. It also involved comparing and contrasting and attempting the discovery of cause and effect relationship, which is existing in a certain location such as Balok-Balok Elementary School. The descriptive survey also estimates a relationship among variables. It also describes the nature of the situation as it exists at the time of the study, explores the cause of the particular phenomenon. Now, let's proceed to our results and discussions. Number 1 questions. What are the interventions materials that have been used by the respondents in this teaching reading? It is shown in the table with regards to the intervention materials have been used in teaching reading. First rank was the printed materials with weighted mean of 4, always. It was followed by flashcard and a weighted mean of 3.56. These findings can be attributed to the fact that all the teachers own a television set and the set printed materials and flashcards are easier to create. Number 2 questions. How do you perceive the use of reading intervention materials in reading? These findings could be attributed to the fact that the teachers are the sole persons that are direct contact with their pupils who knows the capabilities of their learners. It is important that the teachers are aware of their roles in their reading remediation. Our third question is, how do you perceive your role in reading remediation? From these findings, it can be deduced that the teachers have positive perceptions on the use of interventions materials in teaching reading. These findings only prove that the teachers believe the effectiveness in reading intervention programs. Furthermore, reading intervention materials are indispensable in teaching and helping pupils with reading difficulties. And our last question is, what reading intervention may be proposed to answer to the needs of the pupils in reading? From the findings of the study, the following conclusions were found. Number 1, the teacher have a positive perceptions the use of intervention materials in teaching reading who prove that they believe in the effectiveness of reading, intervention materials are indispensable in teaching and helping pupils while reading difficulties. Number 2, the intervention materials usually used by teachers were printed materials, charts, flashcards, were they easily created. Interventions materials that were used in televisions or LED TVs, monitors, and multimedia have not seen use because of the absence of this. Number 3, the teachers as the sole persons that are in direct contact with their pupils and who knows the capabilities of their learners were aware of the importance of their roles in reading remediation. Number 4, the proposed reading interventions can be used for the pupils of Balok-Balok Elementary School. The references used in this action research are Basa Pilipinas, Read Philippines, May 2016. Bradley Randy Victor, Eva Verica, PK Review 2005, Multimedia Instructional Materials in the Classroom Idea Group Incorporation. Brand, Alice, Tracy, Gray, July 7, Zorfras, 2009, Using Multimedia to Support Reading Instructions. And Bias Heidi, Modules of the Professional Preparation of Teaching Assistants in Foreign Languages. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and listening to my simple action research. Thank you.